Did you know 5 random facts about crows? 1. Crows can recognize individual humans, and they can remember faces, even those of people they've only seen once. 2. Some crows can mimic human speech and even learn to speak words. 3. Crows are among the smartest birds, with a high brain-to-body ratio comparable to some primates. 6. Crows gather around deceased crows and call to each other like a funeral. 5. Birds have a remarkable sense of direction. They use the Earth's magnetic field for navigation and have special brain cells to compare this information with their mental map.